Welcome to our video on essential Hindi verbs for English speakers. Get ready to expand your vocabulary. We'll be covering 10 common English verbs, their Hindi translations, pronunciations, and example sentences. First up is believe. In Hindi, it's Vishwas karna. The example is, I believe in hard work. Next is borrow. The Hindi translation is udahar lena. Say it with me. Bo-R-O. Example, can I borrow your book? The third verb is build, or banana in Hindi. Build is the pronunciation. An example sentence, they build houses. Choose is the fourth verb, which is chuna in Hindi. The pronunciation is choose. Try saying, please choose the correct answer. Complete, meaning pura karna, is our next word. The pronunciation is complete. Use it in a sentence. She completed her homework. Verb number 6 is create, or banana/srijan karna. Pronounce it as create. For example, artists create beautiful paintings. Next is decide, or nirnay lena in Hindi. The pronunciation is decide. Remember, I will decide tomorrow. Our ninth verb is deliver, or pahunchana. The pronunciation is deliver. A good example is, the courier will deliver the package. Describe means varnan karna in Hindi. Pronounced sk rabe. Example, he described the incident. Finally, develop, or vikshit karna. Pronounce it as develop. Let's use it. We must develop new skills. That wraps up our 10 essential Hindi verbs. Practice these verbs daily to improve your language skills. Thank you for watching.